back to my channel. I am an esthetician with over 20 years of experience and also owner of Kiwi Spa in sunny San Diego. And today in this video I would like to share with you consultations that was recording while I had here at Kiwi Spa. So with Rebecca we did 21 days skin transformation challenge. It started from facial at Kiwi Spa and then she got some products that I recommended for her skin type and skin concerns, and also these products are helping in healing acne a lot, and she used these products at her home for 21 days and the results was amazing. So let's get started. So as you see, she came to Kiwi Spa with some acne on her face and she really wanted to go above and beyond and to clean her skin, to clear her skin and to eliminate acne. So what we did after detailed consultation, we did a facial. On this facial we did double cleanse, double steam, then I used special enzymes that penetrated deep inside of her skin and it kind of like dissolving all congestions and blackheads and everything was stuck in our pores. And after it was dissolved with enzyme, I used ultrasonic scrubber, like a spatula, to kind of like vibrate out everything. After that I used special nose vacuum to do suction in a T-zone and to remove all under skin oil and impurities and maybe pieces of old makeup. And then I did for her a lot of extractions. My job always when I see congested skin is to clean their skin as much as I can. So I did extractions, I use special tools in order to open each pore and carefully extract everything what's there. And then I did for her high frequency, which is microcurrent technology that sends currents inside of the skin and it will calm skin after extractions, will reduce inflammation, swelling and redness, and also it will kill bacteria and shrink the pores and re-energize skin underneath. And next step was diamond tip microdermabrasion, which is a vacuum with a diamond tip that will gently remove upper layer of dead cells from our upper epidermis. And then I did for her a custom peel that includes mandelic acid, glycolic acid and salicylic acid. That was a combination for our peel. Then she came back and did a peel with me again in 2 weeks, because every time when you do a lot of extractions and you put peel will penetrate into the pores, and of course you cannot extract everything. Some bacteria will be left in the pores. So peel will kill this bacteria, and then the dead bacteria your body will push it on top. So you will have like a little white head, but it means that this pore is clean inside, it healed, and whatever impurities was there, they now dead. All these white heads come on top of her face, and I did again extractions, another peel, and after 2 treatments, she was kind of like, she was very happy with her results and her skin was like almost clear. I also recommended her to use products at home, and this products was our 21-day skin transformation kit that at Kiwi Spa we offer to all our clients. It's just a way to try all our skincare line at very affordable price, small jars, and this kit lasts you for 21 days and it has 10 main products like 2 serums, moisturizer with sunscreen, night moisturizers and cleanser toner, scrub, peel and 2 very powerful masks. So she tried it all, and it's very important to use same formula of the product, of all your products. And it's very important these products do not contain any synthetic preservatives, any parabens, any silicone, so formula need to be clear. And also at Kiwi Spa our products made with medical grade of molecule, so it's also helped for faster penetration and to deliver faster results. So Rebecca was very happy. You can look at her pictures before and after. She was one of these people who follow every step and was so excited about this transformation, and results are amazing. And she did cut some meats and fish and eggs and dairy, and she started to use almond milk and oat milk in her daily, lunch and breakfast and dinner. And she started to eat more veggies and grains and quinoa and chia seeds. There is so many foods and superfoods that are extremely tasty and they have so much nutrition. So my advice to all of you, I hope you can follow at least some of my advice. And if you need more help or you need consultation from us, we're always happy to go on a Zoom, to look at your skin, to see the nature of your acne, to understand why are you having acne, and then we can create a custom treatment for you and make sure that under our guidance you will have amazing results and you will be very, very happy. So contact Kiwi Spa and we will be so happy to customize special treatments for you that will help you to clear out your skin and to get great results. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you very soon in my next video. Thank you for watching.